Hello Internet, this is Scott with Scott's Garage, and this evening I am privileged to be working on my 2012 Ford Fusion Hybrid. The presenting problem is this, that we went to the grocery store this evening and went to start the car and the lights flickered on the dash and warnings going off and simply it would not start. And a dead giveaway that the battery was going dead. Now, this hybrid obviously has a huge battery, to operate the motor for the hybrid. Not that battery, but the battery in the engine bay went dead. And I'm going to see if I can recreate it. Now, I've driven it quite a distance, so my guess is that it won't recreate itself. It turned on right away now, but I know the battery is dead. At least one cell is dead. I took it to O'Reilly's. They tested it, and sure enough, one of the cells was dead. Now, the bad news is these batteries, even just the battery to start the car, they are proprietary for the hybrid and extremely expensive. $200 just for a normal battery, and that's the bad news for me. I purchased one less than 2 years ago, so with O'Reilly's, I will get it refunded. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the main battery. Okay, so I have the engine bay open here, and here's the battery I'm talking about. So this is the battery that it powers the starter to start the engine. So if you talk to people at O'Reilly's, they'll say that their notes show that you should take it to a mechanic to change the battery, which seems kind of ridiculous. I'm a do-it-yourselfer. Again, you're probably watching this because you are as well. And I've already replaced this battery a couple years ago. It's really not a problem at all. You do have to remove some of the air intake, which is no big deal. We're going to remove the battery cables, and you'll need an 8mm to remove these nuts. So I removed the negative first, and now the positive, which has the rubber boot over it. So I'll disconnect this, and if in the process of taking this out, it touches the ground, no big deal since the ground's already off. Okay, the next thing you do is remove the clamps, the base of the battery right there. So I'm going to get an extension, and I believe that is 8mm as well. Okay, I was correct. It's an 8mm. Okay, once you loosen that connector on the bottom there, you just jockey the battery, just kind of slide it over and pick it up a little bit, and it'll come out of this little lip right here that holds it down. I'm going to try to actually take it out without removing this. So I'm just going to use both hands and just kind of, slowly move it this way. I think I can get it out from there. Okay, I was able to get it a little bit higher, but obviously it's hitting the intake there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to loosen this bolt up here because it's all one unit. There's nothing underneath it, and just this clamp right here, and pull it off and up, and that should do it. Okay, with the air intake off of there, it's a real easy shot. Okay, what I'm going to do now is put some dielectric grease on the battery terminals. You can buy this any place, any auto parts store. It's really necessary. It just creates a better union between the cable and the battery and prevents corrosion. Okay, I just wrapped things up. Everything's in place. I double checked all the clamps and put the air intake back in place, and the battery's all secure, and I'm just going to start it now and make sure everything starts. Yeah, everything looks great. So if you're do-it-yourselfer, save yourself some money and replace the battery yourself. Have a great day. Hey, thanks for making it this far in the video. If you like the video, please hit like. It costs you nothing, but is of great value to me. Please also consider subscribing to Scott's Garage and hit the bell notification for upcoming videos. Now, I am not a professional mechanic. I'm simply a backyard mechanic, a do-it-yourselfer. I've loved working on cars since my teenage years. This literally is my garage. We'd love to have you come back and watch another episode of Scott's Garage. Please also consider downloading the Brave browser. Now, I heard about Brave for months. Various YouTubers didn't check it out, but I did a couple months ago. Absolutely love it. I've been using it ever since. It's very fast, very safe, very secure, very unique. You can disable all ads if you want to, or you can get paid to watch ads using the Brave browser. Check it out. Have a great day.